Today I want to share with you how my husband installed the Gurun 8-inch wall-mounted mirror in virtual gold into our bathroom. This mirror came really well packaged and everything is included in the kit, including the instructions. We started out by marking out a level area to mount the mounting plate on the wall, and then my husband used a drill to drill the holes into the wall and a hammer to apply the wall anchors since we are not mounting this on a stud. This mirror was pretty straightforward to install. You will need a drill, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a hammer in order to install it. Once we have the holes all squared away, my husband screwed in the screws for the mounting plate. It's important to do each screw a little at a time so that you don't tighten one too tight and then the other one doesn't fit properly. Once the mounting plate was secure, my husband just secured the mirror onto the mounting plate with the two screws provided in the kit and tightened them by hand. This mirror is really solid, really well made, with the 1x mirror on one side and the 10x magnification on the other. I 100% recommend this mirror for your bathroom.